description.
All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we have the last of the Irvins salted egg. This is from Singapore, and it's so wonderful. They sent me two of pretty much everything, and so I could open one that's fresh. How long does this go? 3 minutes. Garnish, okay. But I'm sorry, I'll have to admit, I can't do it. This stuff is really good. This is like, I am very, very, very excited to be doing this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got 3 minutes. Whew. I'm beat. I am definitely beat. We need this one. This one goes in. Wait, that's not the garnish. That's the garnish. Let's put the garnish in the pot. This is just vegetable. But yeah, I really have, to be quite honest, fallen in love with the whole concept of the salted egg flavor. I really just wasn't a super advocate for it or a fan of it. And then I tried this stuff and it just blew me away. So that's a thing. That's a good thing. But so what's going on with me? Today is Thursday, and my wife has to work a half day on Saturday, so she gets only to. She only has to work a half day today, so that's nice. We're gonna go do our grocery shopping, get that all wrapped up, and yeah. Trying to think of other fascinating things to impart to you currently, but I am coming up a blank. There's going to be more reviews coming. I'm really, I think I'm going to reach out to this company about doing a book. I think it's time. Looking at their other publications that they've done, I think I might do it. And if I do it, I'm hoping you might consider doing a pre-order. If it actually came to fruition, there was a book, blah, 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 I would be shoving that thing down people's throats like no tomorrow. And the more pre-orders you get, the higher chance you get to be on the New York Times bestseller list. That's all it's about, really. It's not like I sold 1 million copies. No, if you get like, if I got like, say, 5,000 pre-orders, that would probably do pretty good. That's a lot, though. When you think about it, it's like 5,000, that's not many. It's like 5,000 people have to commit to buy a product that they can't get like that. So, I don't know. A guy that I watch his show, David Pakman, he's been doing it, and he's got a pretty big following. And he's got like, I think 8,000 pre-orders, and one of the perks is if you pre-order, you can get a signed book plate and some other goodies and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So we'll see. Anyways, we are done here, and now we need to drain our noodle. Ugh. Man, it is hot in here now. That's the thing. It's like, in our apartment in the morning, it's ice cold. Like when I woke up, it was 26 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold. I mean, not in our house, outside, but it made the house cold. Get it? But this time of day, the sun hits this side of the building. And when that happens, the whole place just heats right up. And it's kind of stifling. Not a fan of it. So that's why in the winter, in the morning, we run the AC and the heat through our AC unit. And in the afternoon, we have that sucker off, and oftentimes we're opening the deck, you know, so we can get it to cool down in here. I don't care for that. I just wish it was more temperate. But when spring comes around, it gets much more mellow. Less extremes. You get this kind of weather, you get dry skin, you get all of this. Yeesh. All right. We got our egg topping too. I'll add that at the end. I've had it. It's really good. This is going to be like what I had the first time around. And I am excited. It just reeks of salted egg. And it's a beautiful smell. There's our noodle. Kind of broad and flat. Cheers. Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. Oh my god, gee whiz, yes. I enjoy that food. And the difference between this one and the pack version didn't have the garnish with it. This version does. When I was getting the post together for this one this morning, I also noticed something interesting. They're now making an Irvins chili crisp potato chip. So this Irvins company that is the collaborative thing for these, Irvins makes salted egg potato chips. And salted egg has been a big thing over in Southeast Asia. And well, that's why we got what we got here. Okay, come on, egg. Here's a marinated egg. Oh, you get back in there. You settle down, egg. Pony up. Just there you go. I thought I'd do things a little differently today too. I was gonna add 2 fish balls, but I kind of like it like that. I like fish ball too. I don't really have a place to put that. I was going to add a slice of noritamaki, but I don't really have a locale that will fit. Oh, I got to do this. Our egg topping. I should have done this first. I will be the first to admit that. Well, and my poor waning supply of sesame seed. Good God. Note, Slightly damp fingers pinching sesame seed. Pain in the butt. Alright, let's rotate and say bye-bye to the salted egg wonderful. Just a side note, do you people have any idea how many dishes I do every day? It's a lot. I don't mind though. I like having an empty sink. I got a load full. Now the sink is full, so I'm on heavy rotation. Yeah. Anyways, absolutely excellent, wonderful, 5-star, beautiful, and the pack version just so, both of them. Yeah, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. It's a kind thing to do and an easy thing to do, so do it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.